I drove 6 hours for Crumble. Of course I'm gonna eat them all. The carrot cake first. I love the carrot cake. Mmm. Crumble has some of the best cakes ever. One of my favorite cakes by Crumble. It's so soft. It's so cinnamony and spicy. Ten out of 10. The Dubai Dirt Cake Nest Cup. I love anything from Dubai, especially from Crumble. Add no spoons though. Mmm. Mmm. This candy warms in here. So many Oreo bits and pieces. Those little dirt cake crumbs are amazing. Crunchy and crispy kataifi sticks. Has this like very like smooth mouth filling. Or you had to get a little messy. Dirt cake cup's gonna get a 10 out of 10. Now we got this weird one. It's a healthier one. It's a bagel. I like bagels actually. Mmm. That is beyond salty. I like bagels though. The cookies are pretty crispy and it's a little sweet. I kind of like it actually. It's not bad at all. No, that one was super salty. Sweet, but I like it like that. I love everything sweet. It was an 8 out of 8. Moving on now to the strawberries and cream cookie. Mmm. That one was actually pretty good. The little jam on top, it was more like real strawberry, but it was like more not on my favorite one. I'm gonna give it an 8.5 out of the sugar cookie one. Weird taste, like of almond, but I kind of like it like the sugar cookie from Walmart, but like 10 times way better. Definitely going back for the Dubai Nest.